Yes, good morning. My name is Tech. I will be performing the video walk around to your vehicle. Today the vehicle is in for a possible wheel bearing noise. All fluids have been topped off to their proper levels where needed: coolant, washer fluid, brake fluid is right where it needs to be. Front lenses are good. Front wipers are streaking. We're recommending to replace those. We noticed that you are missing a whole cover there. As you can see, there's one over there. Let's walk around the vehicle now. The rear lenses are good. Now let's take it up top. Now that we've taken it up top, all four tires are 10/32. I have no idea what brand they are. I've never seen that brand before. We did run the vehicle in the air and we are getting a high wheel bearing noise from the right front. There are new bolts there, so I don't understand why there are new bolts there, but it's still making a wheel bearing noise. The rotors, they have a massive big lip on there, and that's both sides. We also had some wheel bearing noise out of the driver's side front, so we are recommending to replace both wheel bearings. We are also highly recommending to replace these severely corroded exhaust clamps. That's not supposed to do that. Rear brakes are 9mm, front brakes are about 8mm. No abnormal wear or damage found to the suspension, but it is showing signs of its age. We are also recommending to replace these here lower wishbone control arms. They are making noise. Thank you and have a great day.